Come on, man. What is it? Tiny. Very good. Okay, number 4. Black smoke filled the sky above the burning house. Okay, find the adjective for smoke and for house.
Smoke.
Mike, can you turn off that fan? Sorry.
Black smoke. Can you read this one? Black smoke.
AJ, what are you on?
Filled
38. Exercise English level D.
sky
38?
Sky.
Yes.
Okay.
above
The
burning
burning
house.
burning.
Could we do this for me, please?
Oh.
Here, no. Don't worry about mine, okay?
This one?
You just gotta read, okay? Put this when you're done. And then go to that 38. Yeah, right in the middle, pal.
Okay.
Or, so we know tomorrow or the next day to come here. Let's put in that skip page. Okay, read those. Put the name, date, and read. Alright, man. You ready? Oh, someone found the trash bag here. Okay. Name and date.
Must have been Michael.
Choose the correct form of the word to